Hello, sixth grade. This is lesson 93. It is classifying triangles. We have done, at least touched base on these names a little bit before. We might not know their exact classifications, so we're going to touch up on these, and that should be it, okay? So, first off, when we classify triangles, okay, you can classify them mainly by two things, by the side or by the angles. Okay, so I'm going to write classifying by sides. There's three ways. And then the other way is classifying them by angles, which I know we're all familiar with, and I'll write that up here. Okay? Classifying by angles. There are also three ways to do that, okay? So, let's start with the angles, actually, because those are probably we're the most familiar with. There is acute triangle, obtuse triangle, and, right triangle. Okay, so the very first one we'll talk about number 3, right triangle. That's the bottom one. Okay, that means one of the angles of the triangle is 90 degrees. Okay, that's the only one, but it means one of them is at least 90. So I'm going to write one angle is 90 degrees. Okay. The next one going up, obtuse triangle, that means one angle is bigger than 90, so it has to be at least 91. It can be 91 degrees. It cannot be 90. Okay, so it has to be at least 91, and it can go all the way up to 179. It cannot be 180, okay, because that's a straight angle. So it has one angle, and it's between 91 degrees and 179 degrees. And again, it only has one angle, okay? The other one, acute triangle, is and in this one it'll be all three, okay? Angles that are less than 90. Okay? That's what acute means. So angles less than 90. Those are probably the ones that we most commonly know. The classifying it by angles. Acute triangle, angles less than 90. Obtuse triangle, one angle that's between 91 degrees and 179 degrees. And then a right triangle, and that is one angle that's exactly 90 degrees. And if you see on the right triangle, it has that little box in the bottom right, or the bottom left, I'm sorry. That is signifying to you that, hey, that angle with the box in it is a right angle. That's the 90-degree angle. Okay, so when you classify it by sides, either you can have all the sides that in the triangle are the exact same length. You can have two sides of the triangle be the same length, or you can have no sides of the triangle be the same length, okay? So let's start with the first one. No sides are the same, okay? That's a scalene triangle, okay? Scalene triangle. And again, what does that mean? That means no sides are the same.